All right, folks, this is going to be a little bit of a hint hint video for the celestial positioning. Real quick, this inner circle represents Earth. The outer circle is going to be our celestial sphere. This line that I've drawn through is your axis. That's our axial tilt, 23.5 degrees. The top of our axis, we're going to have the north. The bottom, obviously, is the south. The little star at the top of our axis, our axial tilt, where it points to, is Polaris. Polaris is part of Ursa Minor. We'll do that a little more when we talk about constellations, when I actually review them with you. Part of Ursa Minor. So let's do this. Let's take a look and break this down real fast. How am I going to do this so it's quick for you guys, so it helps? Okay, here's how this goes. The first thing I'm going to do is draw longitude and latitude on planet Earth. So let's do our longitude first. Longitude goes from pole to pole. 1, 2. How many can I fit in here? All right, maybe drag one more in, right? Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Jam one more in there. Each one of these lines of longitude are 15 degrees. This line in the middle is the prime meridian. Remember that from the video? It goes through Greenwich, England. That's 0. So 0, we'll say 15, 30, 45, 60 over here. 75 degrees goes the same way here. 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and so on, right? So now we did longitude. Let's do latitude. For latitude, I'm going to draw on the equator. I'm going to do also the celestial equator, which is the same as the Earth's equator. So I'm just going to make it big. I'm going to go with the curve a little bit. That's our 0, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. I want, for this sake, I'm just going to stick back to Earth. I want, I don't know, however many you can fit in here. It only goes to 90 and 90 up top and bottom. So 0, let's see, do 10. I'm just going to make my mark. 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. All right, that's cool. Little curve. Bit of a curve. Bit of a curve. Uh-oh. All right, so there's our bottom. Same thing for the top. I'm just going to wing it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 90. Okay, so now that's our longitude and latitude. Celestial sphere, same thing, except instead of longitude and latitude, you have lines of ascension. Ascension are the lines that represent longitude. They go up and down. Do I have a different color pen? Yeah, I just got Zooks. I wish I did. Do I even have a red? I don't. I can't believe it. I'm sorry. All right, we'll have to stick with the black. Let's do ascension. No reds anyway. Hello. Even a colored pencil. Way to go, buddy. All right, here you go. Big lines. I'll make them bigger. 1. Let's do 3. Let's just say. As a matter of fact, I'll just do 2. Don't get crazy. 1. Now there's a lot, right? There's the same. I mean, it is a sphere, a caged sphere. So I'm just drawing a few lines just so things aren't silly and crazy. But there would be a lot going up. All right. Same thing for declination. Just like that celestial equator, lines of declination. I'll do 2 here also. 1, so not to make it crazy. 1 more. Right. 1 more. There you go. So now we have our Earth inside the celestial sphere. All the planets' coordinates would be on this if you were at a telescope and wanted to plug it in and find where things were. Here's the deal on this. Our coordinates, Ramapo College, what is it, 45 degrees north? Here's our equator at 0. So 0, 41 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's just say that's it. By 40 by 75. So on Earth, Ramapo, here's 75 longitude. Here's Ramapo. You are here, X. If you were standing at night at Ramapo College at these coordinates on planet Earth, and you were standing here at night, this is just how the Earth is positioned, right? If it was spinning, the X might be here, just so you know. Standing here at night. Here's your, and you're standing looking up. Only here, only this shaded area is what you can see at night. That means this shaded area is your celestial hemisphere. This shaded area is your celestial hemisphere. If I was sitting outside and staring and looking straight up, that arrow is my zenith. So this area is my celestial hemisphere. This arrow marks my zenith. What else is there? The whole thing is the celestial sphere, right? Let's see. Declination, lines that go like this, long ways are horizontal. Lines of ascension are lines that go up and down. What else do we have? That's our hint for this. So this is only 6.5 minutes. It's not too bad for me. So if you're sitting outside and you're looking up, all you can see is what's here. We have to rely on the Earth to spin so we can see what else is on, what other goodies there are on this celestial sphere. I hope that was at least somewhat understandable, at least with the notes and the lectures. This was just a quick blast, a little hint video. All right, folks. Good luck.